Okay, so I'm at a client's house and I like the carpets to smell good. Okay, so there are a few things that I use when I get into their home. The normal things are the basic bathroom sweeping, mopping, dusting, that kind of thing. But when I get into the home, after I dust, I try to do something with the floors, like the carpets. And I like to make sure that there's like an odor kind of thing, what am I trying to say? A deodorizer, I guess. And so I can go to Home Depot and I can get a box for $1. This is what I do. I can save money. It's not a big box, but it's actually a fridge and freezer. I know that some people are gonna ha-ha me, and that's fine. You do you, boo. But this is baking soda. It's Arm & Hammer baking soda. You're supposed to put it in the fridge, but I open it up and I sprinkle it all over the carpet. So this client has carpet in pretty much every single house, and he's never home. But the time that he is home, I want him to feel welcome. It's his home. I want it to smell good, look good, be good. And so I try to do this, and I use my concoction from my ADX garden sprayer. So I use this. I don't know, I have it on medium spray. I don't know. But I do the baking soda. Then I come back about 10 minutes later and I just spray this. Not a lot. You don't want to get the carpet wet. You just want it to give it a little spritz. So this is vinegar. It's usually hot water, but since it's cold outside, it's fine. So I usually use hot water. I don't remember if it's 2 tablespoons of vinegar and just a tiny bit, a syringe kind of with peppermint oil. You can use lemon. I use lemon for the walls. Like if I'm doing a move in, move out, or if I'm doing a post or pre or post construction or anything like that, I'm going to be using lemon. I think peppermint for the floors, lemon for the walls. Together, it's not a good scent, but that's what I do. So, but this is water, vinegar, peppermint oil, and a squirt of dish soap. And you just shake it up. And then you just spray it all over. It gives this really good scent that when you're home, you're just peaceful. It smells good. You know that it's not just the scent because you look all over and it's clean. So anyway, I know that it's just a small box. It's just a tiny box, but you can get them at Home Depot right now for $1. They have so many specials. It's crazy how many specials they have. Anyway, I have to get back to work. I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you like it, please like, share, and subscribe. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Love you. Bye!